So this is just a very practical way in which supermarkets can actually get on and start using artificial intelligence to help their store functionality. So one of the things that they can do is when customers are looking to get something, I just thought that it would be really nice or convenient, really convenient if they can have like a chat feature, maybe something that customers can just scan at the entrance or even on their website. It's just a feature that can allow them to type in things like, do you have gluten-free flour? Do you have baking powder? All those things. Finding the aisles where certain products are located, so that they can just enter the store and get everything that they want very quickly. And it can even make like the benefit with AI is that it understands our language, so someone can even type, I want to bake a vanilla cake, and then it'll show them everything that they need to get and the very aisle in which every one of those products is, and even tell them how much it will cost. So what would this require of the supermarket? Obviously just requires maybe their pricing list, and also maybe there a few basics like some operational procedures where certain stuff is kept. Yeah, everything, whatever the supermarket is willing to disclose, maybe even if they're comfortable with it, maybe even like the expiry dates, so that the customers can always get fresh food. So all of this can be done. What are the benefits? It saves time. The staff is empowered, so clients are no longer, or customers are no longer asking the supermarket employees where everything is. So the employees have got more time to spend on productive tasks in the business. It increases sales because it also allows e-commerce or shopping from online. If a customer knows exactly what they're getting, they can easily get a delivery service to do everything for them. And yeah, it's just a really interesting um, thing to do for supermarkets. And even I've also even built like a mini demo of such a project. Um, I created a basic data set for for the a company, a supermarket, especially for like for baking details. So the way I did it is just I just created a software, my own AI software that runs on Superbase and Vercel, and it has a vector database, so that allows it to quickly search the CSV or any product that any document that I upload with every list, or this is a product catalog, so it's got every product that's needed in the business. So I just uploaded it, and then yeah, this is just showing the benefits of doing things with AI. You can even configure your own um, decorations or align it to your brand, what the customers will be communicating with. So this is just me showing how it would work. So maybe a customer can just say, I want to bake a vanilla cake. So once they do that, it should take a few seconds. And yeah, depending on the AI model you use, it'll put the results quickly, as you can see right now. So it's, yeah, it shows them the prices of everything that they need to buy. Or then I can even say, get me a quote, 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 quotation. Yeah, and then it should output everything in a manner that the client or the customer can just print out and yeah, download it as a PDF, and then they can come to your store and they know exactly what they're looking for and exactly where it was, depending on how much details the supermarket adds. So just the last thing is to show how it would look like to create something like this. Like I said, one of the ways for very simple deployments is using something like Vercel for the front end, for the website, what customers interact with, hosting your website files, and then you use Superbase, which is the database in which everything is kept, like the products, catalogs, the standard operating procedures, everything that the store wants. So yeah, and then there's also, maybe depending on, maybe if the supermarket is in a, or it's in an industry, not just supermarkets, but maybe it's an industry that is very strict with data, they can also do something like deploying it on cloud, whereby they can create basically information never leaves the country where they're in. So yeah, all these things can be created in different ways depending on the needs of the client, maybe a supermarket, maybe a legal practice, etc., etc. But this is just basically illustrating how something like this would work. So if you have any questions, if any improvements, any suggestions, comments, you can leave them down below or get into contact with me and we can work on your solution.